Hi. So, I just don't like the angles. I really don't like these angles, but because I'm not really like a camera person. But I don't like the angle. Okay, let's see. Okay, these boobsies. Okay, so today is the first day of my healthy food regimen. So, I kind of know how to eat. Just sometimes I really like to indulge in my little sweets or whatever, and sometimes some fried food, some beer. It's good. So, in the tradition of cleaning up, and it's something quick. It's a 3-ingredient avocado salad. It's really good. It's like it got like a desserty kind of taste, especially if it's like cold and it's made like super right. It's like it's really good. So you're gonna need an avocado, maybe two, a Granny Smith, and a lemon. So basically, we start off with the avocado. You start off by, cutting it open and de-pitting it and all that other cute stuff. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get all your avocado out. Okay. So basically, you're gonna get your avocado all out the skin, and you're gonna get your pit out. Sometimes I have a good, easy time getting the pit out, and sometimes it's hell on earth. So, depends on how ripe it is. So, as long as I try to get as much as the avocado out. See? Yeah, I'm greedy. I like all the avocado. I take all that shit off the pit. Because I love, first of all, it's expensive. It's good for you, but it's expensive. They charge you extra at Chipotle. And, well, anyway, you dice up your avocado. Nice little dices. I'm going to show you in a minute. Just want to get the cut right. My daughter's here. And her B2K. It's all to the good. I'm just trying to do my little video.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
You want me to start over?
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's all to the good.
I'm cutting off and taking that.
It's all to the good. I'm making something at home. This happens at home. So, so this is how the avocado is diced. See? Okay. I put my bowl. Put all your avocado in the bowl. Then your apple. Forgot to peel it. So you peel your apple. I like to peel all of that. I don't, get all that skin. I'm just cutting this. I'm just slicing over the garbage. Yes, yeah. Not close to the garbage, above the garbage. Yeah. See? Yeah. And you're just going to cut into the same type of chunks that you did for the avocado. It's a really simple salad, but let me tell you, this mother sucker is so good. You know, you just want all apple, no pit, no skin, because it's going to be very cohesive with the avocado if you cut it right. I like to get all the apple with all everything off. Yes, I do. Okay. Then you're going to dice your apple. Because these are nice little pretty diced apples. You want it to be like your avocado. It's a quick salad, and it lasts like a couple of days. Not really a couple of days, like a day or two, because you know avocados start to get dark, and it still tastes okay. It just doesn't look appealing, you know. It just don't. Just trying to. I'm not one of them people that chop like the Food Network, but here we go. That's the apple. That's the apple. Let me put it right here so you can see. You put the apple in there. There we go. Put all the apple in there with the avocado. And then you stir that mother sucker up. You just stir it up. Just get it nice and mixed. You just keep stirring it until you feel like every piece of apple got avocado on it. You just want to stir it up really nice. There you go. Final step, because it's that easy, is you take your lemon. Like my grandma said, you roll your lemon. You roll that mother sucker. You roll. Now, come on now. You roll it. Rolled it off the counter. Roll it till it's nice and soft. Let me get another knife. I need my cutting board again. Okay. After you roll it up, you take your lemon, cut it in half. You're going to want all the lemon. Lemon juice. There we go. We get that lemon juice. We get that lemon juice in there. You see all that lemon juice? Ooh. Ooh. Get all that lemon juice in there. I don't like to see the seeds. But usually my little lemon squeezer grabs up all the seeds. But it's okay because I'll get all the lemon juice. This is going to get that nice bitter taste. There we go. We stir it all up, all that lemon juice. Here we go. And we stir it, and we stir it. There. I want all my avocado. And